Now, for those of y'all that may be confused on what we're up to right now, we're hopefully getting ready to catch some wild hogs with dogs. For those of y'all that follow along, you know I got 3 boys, Jake, Luke, and baby Bo. Right now, look at this. I mean, just look, we got, what's your name?
Kinsey. Ashley.
Where's Harley at? This is Harley, and we got Miss Ashley. And if you're wondering who they are, we're with a whole posse. We got a whole group of people we're hog hunting with, just having a good old time. Right now, my dad's about a half a mile away from us deer hunting with his crossbow. 76 years old and still going strong. I hope he gets one tonight. In the meantime, we're gonna try to catch us a hog. If we don't, I'm gonna go get him. We're headed back home to get into who knows what. Right now, we're hog hunting. And just like that, the dogs have struck about 150 yards from us, right on the edge of that palmetto head right there. For those of y'all that think hunters are hard on dogs, how much is that vest you're holding? Probably 500?
$329, Corey.
And that's what they put on these dogs to protect them from the hogs. Look at the battle wounds on this vest. It's made out of Kevlar. That thing's legit. I mean, this dog's got a $400 vest, a $300 tracking collar. High-tech rednecks.
For sure does the jobs. Yeah, dude.
Oh boy, he's a big boar hog. He's coming back at us, he's coming back at us.
Bulldog, Bubba. Grab that black one. Go in here, go in here.
No, keep it. Hogs in the road. Hogs in the road? Yeah, go down the road. That can get dangerous quick. Luckily, he just came back on to our side of the ranch and away from the ditch. But now he's going into the bad palmettos. This could get ugly quick. Oh yeah, he's in the thick stuff. Here's where the dogs can get hurt really bad. Look how thick it is. It's gonna get ugly, real ugly. Come down here where I am, you can get a lot closer. Right here. Here comes the tank. Uh-oh. You got him, Connor. He's caught. You got him?
Yes, sir.
Woo, he stinks like a boar hog.
To that bottom foot, baby. Bottom foot, oh. Don't go back out this way. Yeah, we got a guinea war. Guinea war? Yep.
Wasp nest?
Oh, yeah. Right there.
At least we got to get wet first.
Yes, sir.
Right now we're gonna tie him up. Does he have gonads?
Yes, yes, he does.
He won't have them for long. Y'all, hog hunting to these guys isn't a sport, it's a tradition. It's what we've all been born and raised doing. This is what these guys live to do. Hog hunting with their dogs. It don't get no better. Right now, Corey's using a little stick that he has to help him get his bulldog off. How long you been hog hunting?
I'm 34. I started when I was 8.
Long time.
Long time.
He's got some good dogs because we only hunted for about 15 minutes and got a big old biggin. Landon, how old are you?
I am 17.
Come in here like a boss catching that big old boar hog.
Yes, sir. That's what you got to do.
You gotta do it. We're in South Florida, like South Florida. It's probably about 85 to 90 degrees right now with 100% humidity. It is hot. He's got some good teeth. Oh, Landon's 17 years old and just come in here and caught a stud. He don't have the biggest teeth, but them are dog killers. What do you think, he's about 140, 150?
He's probably pushing it.
Yeah.
150.
He's a good one.
Yes, sir.
I just got one question. Where was all my women at during that?
We had to drive.
Kenzie?
Flower power, man.
Hey, Harley, where were you at when we were in the Palmettos? You're supposed to be helping us. Awesome dogs.
Thanks, man.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The only thing he's missing is his gonads. We just pulled out here into the pond, and as you can see, starting to get close to dark. So like I said earlier, my dad is over here deer hunting in a very good spot. Fingers crossed he gets one, but I need to start heading that away in case he does. I don't want to leave him out here in these mosquitoes. We're down near the Everglades and they are bad. So I'm gonna tell everybody bye and thank him for having me and ease over to my pops. Thank y'all for having me.
Enjoyed it, man. Gabe, till the next time.
Kenzie,
Bye.
don't work too hard on the next hog, okay?
Yes, sir.
None of y'all, girl. Look at the guys. Look at the guy, and then look at the guys, and now look at. Hold on. Oh yeah, there's a little bit down here. There's a little bit down here. I'm telling y'all right now, you want to meet some good people? Find people that hunt for the right reasons, because they grew up doing it, because they love doing it. Find people that hunt as a family and a big group of friends. Those will be the nicest people you will ever meet. All those people right there that you just saw, I've only met a couple of them. I just met the rest of them today. Nicest people ever. I know that's like the 8th time I've said people, but what else am I supposed to say? They're people. Point is, if you want to meet good people, find you some hunters. Bluegabe's Uber, you call, we haul. What was that deer that was just staring at you?
That little buck right there. He was right there.
I know, I could see him from the scope.
I could kill him. I could have killed him, no problem. And then I had that spike. That spike come out of that gate, and the doe come out of that yield.
All right, let me help you load up. Mama mia! Y'all look at her in her blue jeans.
It was hard.
What are you
work.
giggling for, babe? You look like you definitely have not had a child, let alone just a couple weeks ago.
Thank you.
Bo, you ready to go eat some sushi? Give me a thumbs up for yes. No? Nothing? Here, I'll help you. Nope. Something else I completely forgot to address too was the rattlesnake at the beginning of the video. That was on our way in, and that was as big as they get. That snake was almost 5 foot long. Oh, probably 5.5 foot long is what Dad called it, and we let her live. I'm completely against killing rattlesnakes. I don't like snakes, but I'm not gonna kill something as beautiful as that thing. What are you doing, Bo? I was gonna film a little bit more with Dad, but by the time we got back to camp, we packed up at like 9:30. We left. It took us 3 hours to get home. We were both whooped by the time we made it to his house where I dropped him off. So this morning we downloaded some footage, and now I'm taking Crystal and Bo on a date to our favorite sushi place. Our go-to sushi place here in Stuart is Fujiyama. And it's funny because the sushi's not what we come here for. They have the most amazing soup ever, and some of the nicest staff ever too.
Hi. We're good. How are you? How are you?
Good, how are you? Do you have kids chopsticks for the little one?
Okay.
Literally the staff here are some of the friendliest at any restaurant you'll ever go to, and the best. Now I know most of y'all are probably excited to see me cook some wild hog because this is a hog video, but let me show you what you're gonna see me eat tonight. Right here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up this good in the light, but it's the sexy girl roll. Babe, don't get jealous. It's just on the menu. Lobster tempura, avocado, fish eggs, topped with crunch, lobster salad wrapped in pink paper. What are you getting?
I got the rainbow roll. It's my favorite. It has 3 different kinds of fish on top of it.
Look at his eyes. He's like, what did you just say you're eating? Now right here is the star of the show. This soup is to die for. This soup, if you're ever deer hunting or bird hunting or something in the cold just working, if you had that in a thermos, I'm telling you, I can't describe the taste. It is amazing. Please, it needs to cool down. Here's something y'all probably don't know. I'm an expert with the chopsticks. Crystal, maybe not so much, but me, yeah. I can eat salad and not get it all over my face. Bon appetit.
You don't want me to try. I can't do it. I can barely use a fork.
Look at his little feet. Oh, for real? Your feet are ticklish? Tell him how good that soup is.
I
wish I could make it.
Yeah. Hey, you'll get soup eventually, just not yet. For all you young adults out there, just know, when one comes, everything gets a little bit harder, but it is so worth it.
Yes, sir. We got this sexy girl roll right here.
Holy moly. Let me spin her around a little bit.
And the rice with some yum yum sauce on the side.
Thank you very much.
Of course. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
You want some sexy girl roll? Can I do it, babe, in one bite?
That's a huge bite.
Can I do it?
Yep.
This is intimidating. Almost. Rebound. That was the first time trying this roll. I normally get another one. That right there is phenomenal. He recommended this roll and it is really good.
Everybody says the greatest things about it.
Yeah. I told y'all I was a pro, but it's hard to eat rice with a chopstick. That roll was really good, but you cannot go wrong with just simple fried rice and yum sauce. Bo just got him some milk, and he's over there passed out. He's got a rough life. To say I'm full would be an extreme understatement. If you're interested in coming here to Fujiyama, we're right on US 1 and not really downtown Stuart, but right in Stuart, Florida. I need to go sit on the couch, but you know what? That's not happening because as soon as I get to the house, I'm hooking up to my Blackjack Bay boat. My older brother Aubrey's meeting me at the boat ramp and we're going after something neither one of us have ever done. And that's saying something because him and I have done a lot. It's a species of shrimp and there's a phenomenon happening right now like we've never heard of. Nobody knows what's going on. It happens at night and we're heading after them, but that'll be in the next video. This video is ending. And one more fun fact, I want to challenge each and every one of y'all watching this. I want to know if anybody else has ever done a wild hog hunt and then ended it at a sushi restaurant. I may be the first person who's ever pulled that off, babe.
Probably so.
Sushi and wild hogs. Bo thinks it works. Look at him. I mean, he agrees. He's like, look, nod your head. See, he agrees. We'll catch y'all in the next one.